All right, I dropped the kids off to do track and field. You can see they're actually right down there. So I came up to the top of the stadium to use this railing behind me to mount my antenna to. Let's see if we can do a little QRP fun from a bit of an elevation. Let's see how it goes. So I brought the KX2 Go bag, but along with that, I brought a little tripod mount with a little bit of coax. I'm gonna see, might be too fat. We'll see how it goes. I got the AX1, the 20-meter radial, which I'm just gonna hang off the end.
Kilo X-ray 4, Mike November. Roger, roger, that's Kilo X-ray 4, Mike November. Roger, roger, you're also a nice signal, 5959 into South Carolina.
Thank you very much, and leaving 23, Norway, Denmark,
Whiskey 9, Bravo, Delta, November.
Thank you,
All right, Nick, thank you very much. You're also 59. Name's Steve, Central Illinois. You're about 15 over 9, very good signal. Lima Zulu 3, Nancy Delta from W9, Bravo, Delta, November.
Thank you for the call, 73, and good luck.
Thanks, Nick. You take care.
Well, it's got all kinds of noise here. There was a Kilo 7 station. Kilo 7?
Kilo 7, Golf, Delta Romeo. Kilo 7, Golf, Delta Romeo. QSR.
Kilo 7 Golf Victor Romeo?
Negative. Kilo 7, Golf, Delta Romeo. Golf, Delta Romeo. QSR.
Kilo 7 Golf Delta Romeo?
Delta Roger, Roger. I have you 5-5 into Central Oregon.
All right, copy the 5-5 in Oregon. I don't know what's going on my end. I got all kinds of noise. You're 5-5 here in Texas.
Oh, is that
I
Mike?
copy 5-5.
It's Mike.
73, thanks for the activation.
73. All right, stand by, everybody. Stand by. I got to see what's going on here.
Mike, you need to ham harder. This is funny. All right, we're gonna... Can't wait to show you where I'm activating from, Mike. Or not activating, where I'm gonna chase you from. Hopefully we can make this contact. That's gonna be great.
All right, the lesson of the day is do not buy bandpass filters from eBay from China. QRZ, Kilo 8, Mike Romeo Delta, parks on the air. Was it November 5, Kilo Sugar Sugar? 59 Texas, great signal. 73, QRZ.
Kilo India 6, November, Alpha Zulu.
Kilo Delta 5, Quebec Delta Yankee, 5x7. 5-9 into Orange State. Roger, I changed that. You're 5-9 here into, into Big Bend. QSL. Thanks, 73. QRZ.
Kilo India 6, November, Alpha Zulu.
Delta Echo. Hi, all the clubhouse members. 73, boys.
This is a total long shot. Kilo India 6, November, Alpha Zulu. Kilo India 6, November, Alpha Zulu.
Ending Victor Juliet.
Alpha Foxtrot 5, Victor Juliet. I have you 5757.
You just took a dive. I didn't get your call. Give me the call sign. I'm sorry, those Chinese bandpass filters are wiping you out. I got Alpha Foxtrot.
I'm gonna do the QRP call.
Roger, Roger. 73s, and I sure do enjoy your videos as well, man. Have a good one.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Good to get to the log. 73, Kilo 8, Mike Romeo Delta Park on the air.
Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu QRP.
Thanks, Mike. 5-9 in Tennessee.
Roger, 59, Tennessee, 73, QRZ.
Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu QRP.
Bravo, Quebec, Lima. Kilo Charlie 4. Any QRP stations? QRP?
Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu.
I got Kilo India 6 November Oscar something.
Close. Mike, it's Josh. Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu.
Oh, hey, what's up, Josh? Kilo. My man, Hammers is going real slow on this computer. Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu. Let's give you a 5x5. Who knows?
QSL, you're a 5-5 here too into Cerritos, California. I can't wait to show you where I'm activating from. QRP with a kind of a weird setup, but I've been hearing you great. You sound awesome, so keep making contacts, man. Good luck. 7-3.
Right on, brother. Good to get you the log, man. 73 QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta Parks on the air. Kilo Charlie 3.
We did it.
All right, sorry. Kilo Charlie 3 Oscar something.
There's a lot of really quiet people down there. Really learning the noise. This is a fantastic radio for listening though. I mean, if you're like an SWL shortwave listener, this is hard to beat. All right, I'm gonna pack this up, and I'm gonna send my win link. Well, that's pretty much all that is right there. Don't know that I have the time. We're gonna try and make a WinLink check on radio mail because I've got some emails to send. So we've got the Mobi-linked TNC3 here, maybe. And Quirky QRP sent me his little foam thing, and I didn't put it on here. And I charged it before I left. I didn't charge it long, but now I can't get this thing to turn on. Is it dead? Every time. I really do love the Mobi-linked, but the amount of times that this has happened this way is kind of shocking. I fueled up the TNC. Now we're gonna run that again. Let's check some email.
All the way! All the way through the line. Don't slow down at the finish line.
Well, we tried to. I don't think it's gonna work. It's getting dark. I'm packing it up. Take it easy, guys. Simple video today. Just get out there with your gear and use it. 73.